Hello guys, so this is one of the questions that I have seen, which is a pretty good question. Longest substring without repeating characters. So given a string S, find the length of the longest substring without repeating characters. So we have to find the length from a given string. So we have to find the longest substring length. In here as we can see, ABC, ABC, BB. So it's given as ABC is the answer with the length of 3. So there is no repeating characters in this A, B, and C. If you take A, B, C, A, there will be a repeating character A. Here, same as it comes C, A, B. We can also take like that, but we only need to show the length of that substring. Here also we can say B, only one element will be the longest substring. Here it can be W, K, E, or I think it can be K, E, W. So we have to return the length of that substring, which is a pretty good question. So the approach that I'm gonna use here is a two-pointer approach. So consider like this is the question that was given. First we are taking this example ABC, ABC, BB. So what I'm gonna do is, so first I'm gonna set, sorry, A, B. So first I'm gonna do, okay. So first I'm going to start from, I'm going to set this as the left pointer, and I'm going to set a right pointer also in this. So I'm going to start from this. I'm going to check if A is inside something. I'm going to set inside, I'm going to push it inside set, because as we know set will not contain any duplicate characters. So I'm going to insert every characters into the set with the non-repeating characters. So at first I'm going to check the A, which is not inside the set, so I'm going to push it inside the set. Now next it will come B, so B is not inside the set, so I'm going to push it. Then comes C, okay, I'm again going to push it. Then it comes A. So as we know A is already inside the set, what I'm going to do is, so on each iteration our right pointer will be moving, it will be checking everything, and as it finds A is already inside the set, left pointer is still at 0th position, so we're going to pop it. We know that A is inside the set, we are going to remove it, remove the letter A. So I'm going to remove this letter and my left pointer will be incremented to B. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to search like the whole set to remove all that elements. Like I'm going to search A here or here, it can be here also. So that's why I'm going to increment it and I'm going to search it. So left pointer will be here now. Now after that I'm going to add A to the set. So now our set will be like B, C, and A. I'm going to the next position. Here it is B. So the B is already here as I said. So we are going to remove this. We are going to increment our left pointer to C. Now it will be C, A, and B. Again, we are going to the next one. Our right pointer will be incremented in the loop. So it will be C, A, B, C. C is already there. We are removing C. Now we're going to the next one. That is B. So B, in this case, look, A, B, and C. B is already there in the set, so I'm going to remove B until I find that. So A is not there, I'm deleting it. B is there, I'm also deleting that. So left pointer will be incremented twice here. I think you got it, because B is in the second position as our left pointer is in the first position. So we have to delete everything until we reach B, and we also have to delete that B. So now in our list, sorry, in our set there is only C and we have pushed the reason B, and we're going to the next one B, which is there in our set, so we are going to delete those two also. At last it will be just this B. So the whole process, what we are going to do is we are going to keep record of the length of the substring. At first we have added A, B, and C, then only A is getting deleted. So here we have a length of 3. So during this whole process we will reach the maximum substring length. Okay, so you are just taking that. So that is whole about this. So let's go for the coding part. So as I said, there are two things, that is left pointer as well as right pointer. Then I need an answer at last. I will say why I need, because this is a length I'm going to keep track of. Then I need a set, so I'm going to name it as S1. So I'm going to run through this string. So as I said, I'm going to use right pointer for running in. So now I'm going to run through this. At first it will be A, then B, likewise it will go. So what I'm going to do is, when I find that word inside the set, so while s of right pointer is inside the set, so I actually have to remove that. So I will tell why I'm using while here. So s1 dot remove of s of left pointer. Okay, so we have left pointers in this position, we are actually removing that. Then left pointer I'm actually incrementing. Okay, so I'm actually incrementing left pointer will be here now. So as I said, when we come to this position A, B and C, next one is B. So B is in the second position, so we have to delete it until we reaches B. Okay, so that's why I'm using while loop here. I think you got it. No, or else, like, if it's not in the set, I have to add it now. So I'm going to add the element as s of right pointer. Okay, so while adding, as I told, at last mostly it will be completely deleted or something like that. Here we have seen there is only one b left at last, so the thing that we need here is the length. So when it reaches ABC, there will be a length, so I have to keep track of it. So what I'm going to do is, if length of the string, sorry, length of the set is greater than the answer, normal max, we're going to keep record of this maximum one, answer will be length of this one. That's all. And we got the solution. So I hope you understood this. So this is all about finding the longest substring without the repeating characters.